एसेट्स, जिधर जाना है उधर दबाना है। कम
Okay. Now I want to see only scientific assets. I'll go to site. If I want to add a keyword in add group, how to add it? Now, two add groups are there. One add group में digital marketing add group में I want to add a keyword. I want to add a new keyword. How to add it?
Open campaign.
Where should I click?
Campaigns.
So the dot answer. Campaigns. Then
Like ads lo.
then
Click on the campaign.
click on settings.
Click on the campaign.
Click on the
Campaign.
campaign. Then
Go to any banana. Then you have keyword. Click select there.
click on. I want to remove this keyword from the ad.
Settings,
Any one of the keyword I want to remove.
settings,
How to remove it?
settings, edit,
Then
remove.
then you ask us to
Remove or
pause.
pause.
Pause. You can pause. Okay. What is conversion?
User do tasks.
What is conversion?
And then you get home. Or buy a product.
What is conversion rate?
How many members in the group?
Now you got it. Next. How do we calculate conversion rate?
Number of members by number of clicks.
Okay. Fix my equation into 100. Okay. How do we calculate CTR? नहीं फॉर्मूला तो याद नहीं होगा एक ओवरव्यू तो कैसे ना ओके इसको डिवाइड इससे करो बस इससे करो वो नंबर
This is formula. Over is formula.
see please divide my equation into 100 okay what is absolute top absolute top
मैं भी नहीं
absolute
करना।
top this is a right answer I didn't tell
Yeah.
many people are confused okay I didn't remember what
ना मेरे को तो
How many KPIs we need to track? How many KPIs I gave you? Important KPIs. 7? 7? What are the KPIs? Don't see them. Cost, close it. Cost, impression, yes. Clicks, CPC. What is CPC?
Cost per click.
Cost per click. Then CTR. Then CTA. What is CTA? Conversion and conversion rate and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One more is there.
रिटर्न ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट।
That is KPI, but not from that 8 important KPIs.
Conversion
Something else.
मिली मुझे पूछा।
conversion ratio.
CPA. What is the full form of CPA?
सर कन्वर्जन पर मिली कुछ बताए थे ना सर।
Not CPA.
सर मिली कुछ बताए थे। CPM कन्वर्जन पे मिली।
Cost per
That is CPA.
CPA. Cost per acquisition. But I told you cost per company. If you tell CPA, others will get cost per conversion. Okay. Can you make a campaign live without keywords?
We can.
Yes.
We can.
Without keywords. Can you make it live without landing page?
Mhm.
We can. Without landing page. We can. How? Hmm?
Website link.
Okay. Without website?
No,
Without landing page?
Google
No, search campaign I think.
Yeah, GMB will do.
No.
With Instagram.
I'll see an ad. Okay. In ad, what I'll see?
Details about the
Like what are
product.
the things we have added from the backend? Headline.
Headlines,
And
captions.
description.
Oh, caption,
Can we make
description.
our campaign like without headline and description?
No.
No. Okay. What are assets?
Key factors. Extra information.
Individually, that is known as
Elements.
extension.
Extensions.
What are the types of extensions we have?
Site link.
Image.
Call.
Site link,
Business
call,
Business logo, business name.
name,
Location.
snippet,
Call out. Promote.
lead form, and
Promote.
promotion,
Location.
app, and one more you're missing.
Location.
No, lead I've added. Location I've added.
Descriptions.
Add a description.
Image also I've added.
Keyword.
Oh.
Location and
Price.
price.
Okay.
उतना इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है बोला इसलिए
नहीं important नहीं बोला है तो याद करना important है. Okay. Now whenever you're using these assets, is it mandatory? Like without asset, can I make our campaign like
Yes, we can make it.
Is it mandatory?
No.
But why are we adding this?
To attract the clients.
To attract the users. What happens if you attract the user?
We'll get the leads, we'll get the conversions.
Okay. Now I'll search for the query. I am not seeing any ad. See. Evora Milas, Godrej, Rajpushpa, Angura. Why do you think Evora is ranking on first, Godrej is ranking on second, Rajpushpa is ranking on third, and Angura is ranking on fourth?
Bidding.
What is bidding?
Cost.
Cost. Is it daily budget?
Depends.
No. Bidding, is it equal to daily budget?
No, no, no.
No.
No, no.
Bidding the amount that you are paying for?
Click. Yes, yes.
Okay. Apart from bidding, what do you think this is ranking on first?
Number of extensions.
Number of extensions. Even they have same extensions.
Okay.
Similar extensions.
Keywords.
Probably the site.
Maybe users are clicking on that more.
Okay. I'll search for the same query again. No ad. No ad. I'll go to another tab. Now, here where Avora Vilas is ranking. Evora Vilas first. Here where it's ranking.
Third.
Godrej is on second, here also Godrej is on second. First who is ranking? Vivekananda. Second, you see how they created this subdomain, campaigns.indies.co. So only for campaigns they created a different language. Okay. Now where is Rajpushpa here? Not right. Now why do you think Evora is ranking on first year, Evora is ranking on fourth year? Why is that something happening? Google we shall go, Google will give you better wishes. Okay. Tell me what page it is. I tell you what it is. Why is that? But I just want you to understand how far your mind can. CTR and I'll search for the same query again. Now is ranking. Prestige ranking on second, Casa Grande fourth, third, Fortune fourth.
गूगल सबको सेटिस्फाई कर रहा था, एक बार उसको एक बार इसको.
Okay, you can that I want. See, either different advertiser is ranking. Here, Evora Villas is ranking on first. Here, Evora Villas is not ranking. Here, sometimes it's ranking on first. Sometimes it's not ranking. How do you think Google keep these fluctuations? One, you told CTR. Okay, one someone told keyword and budget and
Budget, bidding.
bidding and that's it. So if I keep an Google Ads exam, 80 marks, someone got 30 marks, someone got 0 marks, someone got 99 marks. Who will rank one? Who will rank on first? First rank. First rank. Then who will rank on? Who will
80.
get second rank?
80.
Who will get third rank?
30.
Who will get fourth rank?
0.
You know, they did not
Fail.
No rank.
Alright. Now, based on what factors the ranking is given? Marks. So in Google also you will have marks. It's called ad
Rank.
Ad rank is the only factor which decides who will rank on first, who will rank on second, who will rank on third, and who will rank on fourth. Okay. Now, how ad rank is calculated? Ad rank is calculated always weight into quality. This is the formula for ad rank.
If ad rank is deciding who will rank first, then why is it changing on different tabs?
Because every time it is decided. One I'm searching now.
1 second.
Every second it will decide. For every query, Google algorithm will work in the backend. According to this, he is winning. Evora Villas is winning. According to this, Raj Pushpa is winning. According to this, Vivekananda is winning. So this happens every time.
For every query, we need to be on first place. Means what we should do? We should spend more and more amount, or what?
Yeah. That factors I'll tell you now.
Hmm.
How ad rank is calculated?
Bid into quality score.
Bid into quality. What is bid?
The amount we are paying for the click.
Paid per
Click.
Okay. This is known as ad auction process. What is meant by auction?
मैं 10 रुपये पढ़ा तुम और 20 रुपये पढ़ा था. Auction. ఒకటో
What is
సారి
auction? Meaning of auction?
వేలం పాట.
Huh?
ఇది తెలుగులో
Laddu auction.
లడ్డు ఆప్షన్.
The person who pay the highest amount will get that particular product.
లడ్డు.
Now you are saying to Google that I pay you the highest amount. Do you think Google will give you ranking on top? Why you are paying highest amount? Someone is paying 100 rupees, you are paying 1000 rupees.
So it's not top. We'll get it top of it.
To get it top of Google. Do you think Google will accept it?
No.
Why?
But at least
Okay. What is the formula for ad rank?
Bidding into quality score.
What is bid?
The amount we are paying for click.
The amount you are paying.
Paying.
Do you think every time we pay the same amount?
No.
Different amount.
Hmm.
Okay. What is the meaning of score? Marks.
Yeah.
What is the meaning of quality?
Quality.
Authority of that.
Hmm.
So quality score is nothing but it depends on 3 factors. One is your ad relevance. Another is your CTR. Another is your landing page experience. Ad relevance, CTR, and landing page experience.
Ad. Advertisement.
What are the things you have added in your ad? Headlines,
Headline, description.
What is the meaning of
assets.
relevance?
Matching to that particular keyword.
Matching to that particular keyword. If a user is searching for digital marketing course, he is getting an ad of graphic design course. Do you think user will click? No. Similarly, 500 users saw like this. They searched for digital marketing course and they got an ad of
Graphic designing course.
Do you think 500 people will click?
No.
No. What will be affected if they don't click?
Google will cut the marks.
Negative marks.
Negative marks.
Zero mark CPC.
No. If they are not even clicking, so how CPC will affect?
I will not work.
CTR will affect.
Fail.
CTR will affect. They are seeing that, but they are not clicking. What will be affected?
CTR.
If your CTR is affected, what it indicates to Google that people are
Not
seeing
clicking
but
on
not
this.
clicking on that. Means that ad is not good. So now this user is searching for digital marketing. He is getting an ad of digital marketing.
Graph.
Do you think they'll click?
Yes, yes.
Out of 4 advertisers, maybe they'll click, maybe they'll not click. Now he's searching for digital marketing and he's getting an ad of SEO course. Do you think they'll click? Maybe.
No, no.
Is it good?
No.
No. Why? What user wants?
Digital marketing course.
What you are showing to the user?
SEO course.
Is that relevant? No. That is what your ad relevance is. What user is searching, they should get the same details in the ads. If not, they won't click on that. And this is one of the reasons why I have told you to maintain keywords in your headlines. Relevant keywords. Got it? If you don't maintain relevant keywords, what affects your
CTR.
ad relevance? If your ad relevance gets affected, what will be affected?
CTR.
Bolo CTR.
CTR.
So if you don't maintain keywords in your headline, user will show something else. User will see only highlight, 100% placement, book a demo. But for what? Digital marketing course. That if you don't mention, user will not. So if you don't give keyword in your headlines, ad relevance will be affected. If ad relevance is getting affected, what will be affected? CTR. Got it? Clear?
Hmm.
So how to improve your CTR?
Add exact relevant headlines.
Relevance. Okay. Are these relevant ads? Yes. Is it relevant?
No.
So why are you telling yes?
It
It is relevant.
Yeah.
Why it's not relevant?
Because it's already company name and
Godrej Properties Kukatpalli. Contact us now 3 and 4 BHK 4 plans. So no flats is mentioned, nothing is mentioned. This is one of the reasons why we have pinned that headline. So that user should see your keyword Vilas in Hyderabad. And even though this is about flats, is it good? No. Now from 2 of this, where you click on?
Vilas.
Vilas. Okay. Now this Rajpushpa apartments, here Vilas. Which one you will click on? Vilas. Yeah.
So you said ad rank is bidding into quality score. The quality score is ad rank, right? So that ad is not relevant to because they will have like.
Okay. From two of this, is it relevant? Here also you are seeing villa, here also you are seeing a villa. Is it relevant? 2 of that.
Yes.
But which ad will you click on?
First one.
Why? What is how to add this image?
Image.
Image extension. Okay. So, two things will affect your CTR. One is your assets. If you give more assets, more people will click on the ad. Your relevancy of the ad. Got it? If your ad is relevant, automatically your CTR will be increased. How to improve CTR? By having proper ad relevance and by adding proper assets.
Assets.
Got it? Any doubts? Now, I search for villa. I got an ad of villa. I'll click on it. Where I'll go? Land. But I'm seeing all the details of flats. Is it relevant? No. What is getting affected here?
User experience.
CTR.
Conversions.
CTR.
Conversion में what will be affected?
वो जो होना उसको वो नहीं दिख रहा था.
नहीं तो affect क्या होगा?
कन्वर्जन नहीं हो रहा उसको.
Conversion नहीं हो रहा.
हाँ, वो चले जाता है.
नहीं हो रहा तो affect क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे?
लैंडिंग पेज एक्सपीरियंस.
A term is there. Just like CTR है, ऐसा term is there.
बैड एक्सपीरियंस.
Conversion rate.
कन्वर्जन रेट वही तो.
Sir, CTR.
वही सर मैं हिंदी में बोला तो मैं इंग्लिश में बोला.
On the ad, when you're seeing flat. No, that I understand. My thing is that you ask after you land page and you're not inform what will get affected. Means what is wasted, what is not happening.
Not a, yeah, what is not happening? What is getting affected here in the landing?
Conversion.
Conversion rate.
Yeah.
That's not.
Money, like, so we're not getting money from here and money is going there.
Yeah.
The CPC is also affected.
See, CPC, when it will be affected? CPC का concept is different here. If user is seeing your form, seeing your ad, not clicking on that, what will be affected? CTR. So if the user click on the ad, this amount to your paying,
Yes.
Google is charging that amount. But ad was relevant. Your user search for the query, user saw an ad, both are relevant. But user is going to the ad. Google will charge the amount. After going to the ad, user is not filling the form.
Okay, because the landing page is not.
Because user is not filling the form, is it affecting your CPC? No. What is affecting your conversion?
Right.
Because CPC का thing is done
Yeah,
here.
CPC is
Google
not-
click on it, Google charge it. User click on it, Google charge it.
So basically ad was relevant, but landing page is not.
Landing page is not relevant. Correct? Okay. So tell me, why do you think the reasons are why user will not fill the form in a landing page? What may be the reasons?
The landing page is not attractive and
Landing page is not
not proper information in the landing page.
no proper info
No proper information.
and
Lagging. Speed नहीं है.
speed issue
Speed issue, lagging issue.
and
Oh,
Different information.
different information.
and
We don't want to show, fill the form.
form. And if the user is using in mobile, landing page is not mobile.
Mobile friendly.
Experience. Multiple factors. User will get attracted, they'll fill the form. If they are not attracted, they'll not fill the form.
Form.
Okay. If they are not filling the form, what is getting affected?
Conversion rate.
Your client is also getting affected.
Yes, yes.
No forms.
No
1
conversion.
month your client will see, 2 months your client will see, then your client will say
Bye bye.
goodbye. So, what is the? Acha, one more ranking factor. One more thing is this landing page is not attractive. There is no proper information. This is according to the user. Okay. How you tell to Google that your landing page is relevant? By adding keywords in the landing page.
Okay. लैंडिंग पेज में कीवर्ड्स ऐड कर सकते
Yeah. How to add that? This is add prestige constructions. I'll click on it. I came to this. Do you think user will read all this information?
No, no.
What do you think they've
Some
added on
people.
this?
To rank.
5 years here, Vilas in Hyderabad. Keyword. Scroll down. See. So only here they have added one small paragraph. Why they added these paragraphs? Only to include the
Keywords.
in the paragraph. Because directly if you give keywords, it won't be attractive. So you should add small paragraphs in your landing page. Don't add it on the top. No one is
Middle.
reading. No one will read it. On the
Middle.
bottom. Small paragraphs. Inside that paragraph, you have to add keywords.
Keywords.
Which keywords you have to add?
Relevant keywords.
The keyword that you have used
In the Google Ads, ad groups.
while creating the campaign. Same keywords have to be added in the ad also and in the landing page. And this is one of the reasons why I told you should not use more than 5 to 10 keywords in your Google Ads.
Okay.
Because if you add different and this is again one of the reasons that I told you to differentiate the ad sets. Why? Because user is looking for digital marketing course in Hyderabad. But in same ad group you have added online also, Hyderabad also. Will that be good? Even if you add it, what will be disturbed here? Ad relevancy. Because headline may what you will maintain, both the keywords. Again it will be disturbed.
Clash.
Landing page may what you will add, both the keywords.
Flash.
That's why you have to use only one product for one ad group and one landing. Differentiate as much as possible. What you have to differentiate? One theme of product. Like digital marketing course is one theme. Digital marketing online course is another thing. SEO course again is another thing. Google Ads course is again another thing. Sorry? Clear? Now, how ad rank is calculated?
Bidding into quality score.
How quality? What are the factors of quality score?
Ad relevance.
Ad relevance, CTR,
Landing page.
landing page, experience. Ad relevance, CTR and landing page.
Experience.
Okay. How do you improve ad relevance?
By adding perfect details, headlines, keywords.
How do you improve CTR?
Ad relevance and
Ad relevancy. And
assets.
by adding assets. How do you improve landing page experience?
Relevant content is a particular.
Add relevant content, make sure it should be mobile friendly, make sure it should have proper navigation, users should be able to find the details very fast. All the things.
Sometimes user
Speed
don't
and-
like to share their information. In that
Ah,
case,
that also.
Google.
Yeah. Okay. So, if you are missing any one of the things, what is getting affected? Quality score. If your quality score is getting affected, what will be affected? Ad rank. If your ad rank gets affected, what will be affected? Your ranking. If your ad is not ranking on top, you will not get the hits. Clear? Okay. Now tell me, Google is giving you a score of Google is giving you quality score. It will be out of 10. It can be 0, it can be 1, it can be 2,
We
it can be 3.
can check the.
We can check. It can be 4, it can be max 10. Now tell me, where do you think on which level Google will give you the quality score? Like is it in campaign, ad group, ad or something else?
Campaign.
I'm asking if Google is giving you quality score. On which level Google will give you the quality score? Is it in
Campaign.
ad or ad?
Campaign.
Campaign.
कैंपेन कैंपेन में सब आएगा ना सर
But campaign में multiple ad groups are there.
I think ad level.
Ad is-
Yes, ad level.
हाँ हाँ
Not three of these things.
Ad level.
Quality.
Keywords.
Keywords. Put out keywords. Morning, what you did after the exam?
8 keywords
Sir, you went to Tensor. Yeah, answer. Okay. So, see, one common thing. What you are maintaining everywhere? Keywords. Ad में keywords, ad group में keywords, landing page में keywords. Where Google will give you the quality score?
keywords
Out of how much?
10
10. It can be 0, it can be.
10
How much it should be? 10. Okay. Now let's say add rank, quality score, bid, quality score is equal to
Add rank.
add rank. Advertiser 1, advertiser 2, advertiser 3, advertiser
4.
This advertiser is ready to pay 20 per click, quality score is 10. He is ready to pay 80 per click, quality score is 1. This advertiser wants to pay 30 per click, quality score is 5. He wants to pay
60.
90 per click, quality score is 1. Another advertiser is there. He is ready to pay 100 rupees. Quality score is 1. Now tell me, who will rank on first, who will rank on second, who will rank on third, who will rank on
20, sir. The 20 is
One.
one score is. Add one.
Who will rank on first?
Add one.
Add one.
He'll rank on first.
Yes.
How can you say that he'll rank on first?
What score is 10?
Quality score is
10.
10. Okay. If quality score is 10, will they rank on first completely?
No, 20 into 10.
Based on which factor Google will decide the ranking?
20 into quality score.
What is that term?
Add rank.
Add rank.
Add rank.
So you're seeing only quality score, but you're not seeing the bid. Bid into quality score. 20 into 10. How much?
200.
200.
I'm very bad at maths.
80.
into 1.
80.
I'm good at this.
150.
30 into 5.
150.
90 into
90.
1.
100.
100 into 1.
100.
Now, who is getting the highest ad rank?
First one.
He rank on
Top.
first position. Who will rank on second position?
Add
150.
Rank on third.
5.
Go 5. 5.
He'll rank on first. He'll rank on second. He'll rank on third. He'll rank on fourth. Correctly?
Fifth.
No, on the left you have 4.
Fifth. Okay. My mistake. Sorry. Who is ranking on first? How much is paying?
20.
Even though he's paying 20, who is ranking on third? Acha, this advertiser is fourth advertiser. Who is ranking on third position? How much is ready to pay to Google?
100 rupees.
100. He is ready to pay only 20. To which ad Google should give priority?
100.
If Google see only money, Google should give 100.
100.
But who is ranking on top here?
20.
Why?
Quality.
Because quality is quality. Okay. It means if you maintain good quality ad, Google will take less amount from you, and Google will give you good
Top
rank.
ranking.
You can pay less compared to your competitors, and you can rank higher more than your competitors. When? On which factors it will decide?
Quality score.
Quality.
Quality score.
How do you improve a quality score?
Landing
Landing
page.
page.
Landing page. How do you improve ad relevance? How do you improve ad relevance?
Keywords.
Keywords where?
Headlines.
Headlines. And keyword prediction headlines. How do you improve CTR? And
Keywords.
okay. How to improve landing page experience?
Adding keywords in the
Adding
landing
keywords,
page.
Only adding keywords.
Creating good information.
Creating a very attractive
Navigation.
landing.
Mobile friendly.
Now, who is paying the highest amount?
Add 5.
When he is ready to pay the highest amount, even Google is not giving ranking for him. Why? Because quality score is
1.
less. So, which is the most important thing to rank on top?
Quality
Your
score.
score.
Creating a proper.
As well as bid. Because let's say he's paying 30. His quality score is 5. So he's paying now
150.
even though he's getting now second because quality score is 4. It means if your quality score is 10, you have to pay 2 rupees per click. Will you rank on top?
No.
So Google will see bid amount also. Google will see.
Quality.
If Google see only quality score, no one will pay that. Google will pick on. So Google will decide based on your bid as well as your quality score. This is how your ad rank will be calculated. Based on this ad rank will be ranked on top. Got it?
Sir, if we say everyone is keeping everything perfect, then what is the everyone can't be in first
No.
first, right?
See,
He is also
I'm
paying.
ready to pay 10 rupees.
Yeah.
What
Competitor also ready to pay 10 rupees.
Competitor ready to pay
His
10.
quality score also 10. Our quality score also 10. Then.
No, impossible to keep every quality score 10.
Acha, okay.
Why? Because see, how many competitors are running ads for Vilas in Hyderabad?
Okay.
Hundreds of competitors.
Yeah.
Will user click on every competitor ad?
No.
It means once user is clicking from 4 ads, user is clicking on 1 ad.
Hmm.
All the 3 ka quality score is getting affected.
Acha.
So every time your competitor will not be same
Mm-hmm.
because here you are seeing different ads, different
Hmm.
competitors. Here you are seeing different ads, different competitors. So Google will calculate this on every query,
Acha.
every time.
Okay. Okay.
Got it?
Hmm.
Yeah, you are asking.
So this is only for sponsored products, no?
Yeah.
In non-sponsored only quality of that.
If you have to
Someone directs.
Actual how much amount you are paying, how Google will decide.
That's my
Our
doubt.
budget is 1,000.
That's my doubt.
Ad rank of your competitor divided by your quality score plus 0.01. This will be the cost per click that you are going to pay. Ad rank of your above competitor. Here, for this ad rank, Google will see this competitor ka ad. Here, Google will see this competitor ka ad. Ad rank of your competitor by whose quality score
Your quality score.
plus 0.01. Let's say your competitor ad rank is 200, your quality score is 5. Tell me what will be the CPC?
What?
Your ad rank, your competitor ad rank is 200. Your quality score is 5.
200
What is the actual
divided by 5
CPC of
plus
your
0.001 is equal to 130. 10 into 40. 40 plus 40.001. 40.001.
So how much amount you will pay per click? 40.0. This is just an example.
नहीं सर, अभी वो 40.01 ले रहा, अपन बिडिश 20 रुपीज़ करे तब.
तो अपना ऐड ही नहीं बताता.
ओहो,
कम दे रहे तो
हटा देता.
छोटे छोटे जनों के साथ खेलो. अगर ज्यादा अमाउंट पे करे तो बड़े कॉम्पिटिटर्स के साथ.
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा.
That is the formula.
Right.
That is 0.0. Even I don't know. Your task for today is
How do we know ad rank of our company?
we cannot know. Google will know. See, who will calculate how much amount? Who will calculate? Who will take that amount?
Google.
Who will calculate that?
Google.
So why we need to calculate?
Google will
Yes.
Ad rank, competitor का ad rank we cannot
Just
say.
like how it
For
works.
our understanding.
How it works.
You don't have
Today, listen. As you are creating a landing page structure, we are working for live campaign on which business?
Raju sir's business.
What is the company's name? EW?
EWLS.
Digital marketing agency we are working. Okay. Today your team have to plan a landing page structure for that particular website.
Sir, what?
We have two options. He have a coded website, not a WordPress website. One thing is that you create a landing page structure. You have to give it to him. He'll create that landing page with the help of developer. One option is that we use your landing page. You have to create landing page by using Divi. Which one you want? Divi or this?
Why you
Okay, we'll do one thing. You'll create landing page.
Whichever group wants to do that, will do.
क्या?
Both. Whichever group wants to do either this or either this, will do both.
नहीं, anyone. We'll do one thing.
Expansion of understanding.
We'll do one thing. You will create a landing page, 4 groups. You already have your websites. In any one of your website, you are going to create a new page, name it as landing page, design the landing page completely.
Okay.
Okay?
So for the
4 groups you'll create it for each company. Logo you want, client testimonial you want, whatever you want, ask us. By Monday, you have to complete the landing page. Don't do it from scratch, do it with a template. 4 landing pages. Out of that 4 landing pages, we'll finalize any one landing page. That landing page we'll use for ads.
By Monday, you have to submit.
By Monday, you have to give me the landing page. And थोड़ा बाकी है. This is not completed. This is not completed. Either you completed, either you not completed. That's it. Let's say let me complete. Either you have completed the landing page, either you have not completed the landing page. Only 2 things. And see, developer may if you give lot of time taking process. He'll make some changes, he'll do some changes, he'll do different, you'll ask you want different, proper live campaign mode. So better you do it. What is the concept of landing page? Highlight should be there on the top, form should be there on the top, keyword should be there in the ad, everything.
Can you show an example?
See.
What is it?
team lead should be doing.
Everyone, not him. If anyone is not active, let me know, I'll remove them from the team. I'll keep you aside. Huh? What if you are not active? I'll remove you and okay. See, landing page is nothing but a common page in your website only.
Okay.
Okay. Here, your form is there, all the highlights will be there. It means you are promoting only a specific service. Which service you guys are promoting?
Digital marketing.
Digital marketing services. See, we can do one thing. SEO services, another ad group. PPC services, another ad group. Website designing services, another ad group we can do. But you need a different landing pages for that. Time taking. Okay. One thing we can do, common landing pages for everyone. One thing we can do, different for services for everyone. Which one you want?
One common page.
One common. If you do one common digital marketing service, keywords you have to use.
That's
Everyone doing the same. If you do different, work will be more. SEO different campaign, PPC different campaign, website designing different campaign. Which one you want?